In the aftermath of World War II, the world stood on the brink of a new era, one marked by fear, secrecy, and the race for power. Nations were rebuilding from the ashes of conflict, and the geopolitical landscape was shifting dramatically. The United States and the Soviet Union emerged as superpowers, each vying for global dominance. Amidst this tension, whispers of unidentified flying objects and extraterrestrial encounters began to surface, capturing the imagination and concern of the public and government alike. This was the crucible in which Majestic 12 was born. A secret committee allegedly formed by President Truman tasked with investigating and concealing the truth about these mysterious phenomena. Their mission to control the narrative and protect national security at all costs. The year was 1945, a pivotal moment in human history. The United States had just unleashed the unprecedented power of the atom, forever changing the course of warfare and global politics. This monumental event not only brought an end to the devastating World War II, but also ignited a fierce and prolonged arms race with the Soviet Union, marking the beginning of the Cold War era. The stakes couldn't have been higher as nations grappled with the terrifying potential of nuclear annihilation. The world watched in a state of constant tension as the balance of power teetered on the edge of a knife. As tensions mounted, secrecy became the government's most valuable weapon. Programs like Project Blue Book investigated mysterious sightings, while classified operations sought to safeguard America's dominance. Then came Roswell. The alleged crash of a UFO in 1947 sent shockwaves through the nation. Was it a weather balloon, as officials claimed, or something far more extraordinary? Amid this climate of fear and curiosity, President Truman is rumored to have authorized the formation of Majestic 12, a top-secret group tasked with managing extraterrestrial phenomena and protecting national security. From 1945, a new era began to unfold. The world had just emerged from the devastation of World War II, and nations were eager to rebuild and redefine their futures. From 1945 to 1950, the foundation was laid for a world of surveillance, suspicion, and hidden agendas. The geopolitical landscape shifted dramatically as former allies became adversaries, and the seeds of the Cold War were sown. Majestic 12 became a symbol of this shadowy new reality, a clandestine group shrouded in mystery and speculation. Their alleged existence fueled countless conspiracy theories and debates. If it ever truly existed, Majestic 12 epitomized the era's pervasive sense of distrust and secrecy, leaving an indelible mark on history. Discover the stories behind the secrets. Subscribe to emgotv1 for more history they don't teach in the textbooks.